Calculations in Power BI are performed using data analysis expressions, a formula language that enables users to create custom calculations, measures, and calculated columns. Here's how to calculate in Power BI effectively. Understand DAX functions. Familiarize yourself with the wide range of DAX functions available in Power BI, including aggregation functions, mathematical functions, logical functions, and date functions. Create measures. Use DAX to create measures that calculate aggregated values based on your data, such as total sales, average revenue per customer, or year-over-year growth. Measures are dynamic and respond to filters and slicers applied to the report. Write calculated columns. Define calculated columns using DAX to add new columns to your dataset that derive values based on expressions or calculations. Calculated columns are computed during data refresh and become part of the underlying data model. Utilize context. Understand how DAX expressions interact with the context of your report, including row context, filter context, and evaluation context. Context influences how calculations are applied and can affect calculation results. Test and iterate. Test your DAX calculations thoroughly to ensure accuracy and reliability. Use the DAX editor in Power BI Desktop to write and debug expressions and iterate on calculations based on feedback and requirements.